Temperature is a measure of the average energy of water molecules. It affects the rate of photosynthesis by algae and other aquatic plants, and influences the amount of oxygen that can be dissolved in water, which affects other aquatic lives. It also affects the sensitivity of organisms to toxic waste, parasites and disease, timing of reproduction, and migration. The maximum temperature standard for the majority of the streams west of the Blue Ridge is 31 degrees Celsius. For put and take trout waters, it is 21 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius for natural trout waters. Temperature can be influenced or changed by rain that falls on a parking lot that has been baking in the sun all day during summer, gets heated, and then runs off into streams. The heated water can be a shock to the aquatic life in the stream and can thus harm water quality of the stream. Temperature affects water chemistry and the functions of aquatic organisms. It influences the amount of oxygen that can be dissolved in water, the rate of photosynthesis by algae and other aquatic plants, metabolic rates of organisms, sensitivity of organisms to toxic waste, parasites and diseases, timing of reproduction, and migration.
Fire retardants are water-soluble ammonia based on chemicals. Ammonium polyphosphate is common in fertilizers, and these can make their way into rivers or other water due to rain, wind, or simply being trapped there by animals or humans. Fire retardants stay in the water and usually turn the water a noticeable red or orange color. However, it's odorless and can sting if it gets into cuts or scrapes. These and their toxic effects become part of the fish that live in them. As stated, fire retardants can sting if they get into a cut or scrape. They can also be poisonous to wildlife if they drink them. Along with that, the fish that live in these affected waters and absorb the chemicals pass down the toxic effects to their offspring. If this continues, it can kill an entire species of fish. Fire retardants. Poisonous to animals. Harmful to humans if they get into open rooms. Can kill fish and get into a fish's biology to be passed down along with its negative effects to offspring. Odorless. Turns the water a noticeable orange or red. And mostly commonly transferred to water from fertilizers.